Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I am excitedly unboxing a new canvas from FeeLook Art. I will link to my previous unboxings from them up in the eye, but this is a new one and I can straight away see that they have changed their packaging. It looks very classy now. There was nothing wrong with it before, but this is a really nice look. I can not get the light on it. You can see that there is like a texture to it. I'm going to take it out of its plastic so we can have a proper look. This came to me in a separate shipping box as well. So although it has got a little dint in it just here, I'm sure that's not going to have affected any of the contents. And the box is still good enough quality that I would be more than happy to store my diamond paintings in this while they're in the stash. It's not necessarily going to show up on camera, but there is a gorgeous like mica sparkle on this box that is just lovely, and again adds to that kind of classy, high quality feel. So let's get inside. This one is, oh, this is so nice. There we go. So we open it up and it says, "When tiny sparks become masterpieces," which I like very much. We've got our canvas here. We have got a toolkit and a little instruction leaflet there. So you can also use this to record your start date and your completion date. Very nice. Let's just pop that box down for now and we'll get to the important stuff. Just because they've updated their kit, I will have updated the box. I will have a quick look at the kit because I don't know if anything's changed since last time. Ooh, hello. I think we might have some changes. So we have got some lovely purple or lilac-y tweezers. They're like a periwinkle colour. Is that what I'd call that? In here, oh wow, we have got quite a selection in here of tool adapters. Now I will say these ones are all the slightly larger size that I don't favour, but they work perfectly well. They're just not my favourite. So this is probably, I think that's probably a 7 and a 5 and a 3. With those, we've also got a little straightener. We have got a single placed with an angled tip, really nice. And we've got our standard brass tip. And then this is our, oh, are you a screw off? You are a screw off. Oh, hang on a second. How does this work? I am confused. Right, let's see if I can figure out how this works. So that's just a lid. So that's going to be your main part of your pen. And then, yeah, that's right. Then, so all of your different tips pop into there. What you don't have is the option for both sides like you would get with like one of these style pens where you can have something on both ends. This is only for single, but it's very nice. It's got a nice feel to it, and it's nice that it's in their colours. So that's nice, yeah. And you can change those out for whatever you want to be using. Very good. This last one is designed to have wax added all the way around the outside. And then in theory, you can roll it on your drill tray, pick up a whole row of diamonds and then roll it onto your canvas. It's not something that I am good at using, but I mention it because it's an extra thing. We've got a huge piece of pink wax. We've got blue wax, 4 plates of blue wax in there. There's loads. Should put all those bits and pieces away as well. And then we've got 2 big baggies of baggies. Hopefully that'll be enough if you wanted to kit up into bags. My preference is always pots, but everybody's different. And then, oh, we've got 2 trays. I don't know if I was meant to get 2 trays. These were sort of stuck together. So it may be that that was just an accident that I managed to get 2 because they were stuck together. But yeah, I have 2 trays. I would have thought if they'd meant to send 2 trays, they would have sent 2 pens. So, and then they do these very shiny hollow number stickers to number your pots with. I prefer symbols. Again, that's just me. Right, okay, so let's get into the main thing, the canvas itself. This canvas is part of their Halloween promotion, hence why I'm doing it now. They have currently got buy 2 Halloween kits, get 10% off, or buy 3 Halloween kits, get 20% off. And the Halloween products can also be featured with their spin the wheel discount, which can get you between 10 and 30% off as well. So, wow, okay, we're upside down. So this is in round. It is a 50 by 70 image size. The canvas is bigger. The canvas is 58 by 78. You get quite a large border. And it is 30 colours. I don't know if I've got any specials in here. I don't think so, but we'll see. Let me just move that light so that it's not quite so shiny on here. Right, I'm gonna roll this down, show you it a bit at a time, and then we will we'll talk details. So here she is. This is Mystic Witch of the Moon, and I mean this is where the drama's happening anyway. Up here, the bottom is just really the bottom of her dress and some sort of smoky cloudy stuff and the tip of her broom. But we've got a couple of bats, we've got this big old moon here, lovely full moon, and then we've got this gorgeous silhouetted witch against the moon, and the whole thing is in blues and sort of lilacs and purples. I will pop up a picture so you can see what the original artwork looked like. So this is a felt backed canvas. It is quite stiff, but not the worst at all, and with a little bit of finagling it will sit quite happily flat. Got a lovely decently thick cover sheet and lovely thick poured glue. I do like a thick glue. Again, personal preference. Let's have a quick look at these. If there's not any ABs, I'm definitely going to add some because that moon is just crying out for some. Okay, let's run through these super quickly so you can see the colours. I'm not going to name them all. You know what colours look like. I will say these look lovely in terms of sizing. Is that 310? That is a 310. So that's our 310 there. Purples, lots of dark navies. As I say, the whole thing is going to be purpley blues. A lot of it. Yeah, 796 and 797. Got 2 bags of each of those. That is like a lemony, more purple. Oh, it's a 939. I thought there was another 310 then for a second. Oh. Aha! I've spotted an AB. And here is our AB. We've got a white AB, which, if you can just see if I get the light to hit it right, it's got that lovely rainbow coating that shifts. So that is going to be, that's the little dot. So let me bring you down. So yeah, here, everywhere that you can see, like here where there's like a little square dot symbol, that's going to be ABs. So there's a lot of that in the moon. Yeah, over this side of the moon, a lot of that. And then in highlights, and then just little sprinkle sparkles all around. So this is going to be lovely. I may still add, I've got some lovely lavender fairy dust, so I might be tempted to add some of that in as well. But yeah, I'm really pleased with it so far, the look of it. I love the updates that they've made to the kits. This one, if you are interested, this one is $59.99 US. I think that's a good price to pay. I really like it. FeeLook, most of their art is in-house, but they do now have, they've got new licensed artists with them as well, which is really nice to see. And they are interested in taking on more. So do get in touch with them if you have a favourite artist and you want them to perhaps work with them. So I'm going to leave this here for now so that I can go get kit up and work on it. And hopefully you guys will take a look at FeeLook and see if you fancy any of their Halloween treats, because I can promise you there are no tricks. Thank you for joining me. As always, big thanks to those of you that support me on YouTube as members. It's really great to have that community building up. And if anyone would like to join them, links are always down below. You know where to look. I'm going to leave this here. I'm very excited to get this up. I love my purples, you know that. So I will see you soon. And until then, stay crafty.